It's been a while, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. Today I'm making this Irish potato Alfredo. Irish potato Alfredo. I saw it on Instagram. It never came out the exact way I wanted it to, but I'm trying my thing. So today I'm using shredded cheese, milk, Irish potato, spinach. It's supposed to be broccoli, but I don't have any broccoli, so I'm gonna use spinach. So this is the Irish right here. I have 4 of them, but sorry, 3 of them, but I'm only using 2. And as I said before, the spinach. So now I'm washing the Irish potatoes, washing them clean, washing out the dirt and any farmer germs and so on. So here I have a piece of napkin. I'm just gonna dampen the Irish potatoes. I don't want them to be wet, so I wipe them off as best as possible. And as you can see, I'm sticking them with the fork so I can add a bit of salt just to add a little seasoning. I forgot to mention before that I'm using chicken breast as a meat kind. So here I'm adding some salt just to get in the flavor. So I'm gonna rub the salt on both sides, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, back to the fire now. So on the fire, I'm gonna add some my frying pan plus some oil, and then I'm gonna put each of the small chicken breasts to fry until it's the way I like it. So I don't have a special time, just frying it the way I like it. Then I put them on this cutting board, but back to the frying pan now, because I'm gonna add the cheese, then some milk, then a bit of Maggie season, and just mix until or stir until the mixture is thick in a sauce like look. I want the color to change. Gonna mix until the color is a bit brown. So now I'm cutting each chicken breast into small pieces. Cut it in half. After which I'm going to place the spinach in the middle and add the meat on top, then some sauce over it. And I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese on top just to add a little coloring and a little cheddar cheese on top just to add a little coloring over it before I put in the chicken breast before I could add this spinach. So I took it back
Bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Young money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Poppy Ortiz, doing target practice, all these songs, just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Wanna be friends, how coincidence?
So that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna show you the finished look. Out of 10, I would give it 8. And for this plate, I would give it a 7. Because the Irish should have been myself, and it's a bit fresh, so I should have added more seasoning. That's it, you can try it. You know, comments down below, let me know how or you can try it, let me know. So what you guys usually in the live
holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all night you with me, telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be